The power of anatomy in physiotherapy. Welcome to our exploration of how anatomy shapes the practice of physiotherapy. Understanding the human body is essential for helping people move better and feel better. Physiotherapists use their knowledge of anatomy to create personalized treatment plans tailored to each individual's needs. Anatomy guides everything from assessing injuries to prescribing exercises that strengthen muscles and improve mobility. Specialized equipment and tools are selected based on an understanding of how the body works, ensuring effective treatment. Through targeted exercises and hands-on therapy, physiotherapists help patients regain independence and live their best lives. In summary, anatomy is the backbone of physiotherapy, helping practitioners make a meaningful difference in the lives of their patients.